Hadin ke jing bamla ban le bhau kertong ke UDP uba Robert Jun Karjaren haki Elekshon MP Lok Sabha naga Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Ha kesingi balang jong katayau Presiden ke UDP uba Metbah lengdo ulong ba kaseng ke Pdiang ya karai jong paidbah. Hendrakin sabishar benia ekor kom trekam ban lap ekadau tenrai halor ke jing bamla ban le bha hakan ek election. Presiden ke UDP uba Metbah lengdo habakrani kilat patai kubor ha kesantrik ujeliau arajar pusau. Ulong bakum keseng ke Pdiang ya karai jugi paidbah bat ka kubleiru UMP bertemai ke jela u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon halor ke jing job yaki Elekshon MP na ke Shillong seat. Uba Metbah lengdo ulong bakum keseng hinang ne syakamat kin bishar benia la kerukom trekam keseng basnguto ya kadau ba kilasya pendam no hak Elekshon MP. Kabarang sudap. Laban kedahung ni bagi UDP rengkat ke jingit trelang bat HSPDP hapok ke kenhuan Regional Democratic Alliance kila sayu ba Robert Jun Karjarin kum kertong bat ulayo sapusa wajar sans pa under pulai teliki vote hakanik election. Uba Metbah lengdo ula kedahuru bagi paidbah hakasnam arhajar khat pra kila jiat ihan rengut ki MLA bat hakasnam arhajar arpulai kila jiat khat arngut ki MLA na keseng UDP. Bat kini ke pausai bagi paidbah ki Pdiang ya ke UDP. Hendra ki ke baja ki Elekshon MP na kiliang keseng kan sasyong ban bishar benia.
We have accepted the mandate of the people, and I have wished Dr. Ricky Sengkon also today all the very best in this assignment that given and entrusted by the people of the first Shillong Parliamentary Constituency to represent the Shillong seat to the Parliament for this 5-year term as an MP. As I've said earlier, that's very clear. In 2018, we had only 6 MLAs, correct? We were there in MDA 1 with the same coalition partners. And in 2023, we were being awarded with 12 MLAs, which means people have accepted us to perform and to be in the government, correct? What went wrong between 2023 and this MP election, in between this 1 year? That is what we would like to do. That is what we would like to do. So I can just come to a conclusion right now, because the result was out yesterday. It'll take some time for us as the leaders within the party to take a serious view on these changes that has taken place in this 1 year gap only. And when we are going for the campaign, I never see that there's very poor response to us. There are good attendance of people also everywhere wherever we going. So that's why I think, as I've said earlier, there has to be a detailed review as far as the performance is concerned. Then we can take steps, necessary steps on those areas. See, as of now, I think what we would like to see that we had decided that we will go ahead with this MP election this time. But what went wrong with it, that is a part that we have to do the review, a detailed review on that part, and see how do we move forward. And as of now, I should say I would like to see that RDA should move ahead together as well. Not exactly. I think if you recall, again, let me just remind all of you, I think in the last term, 5 years term, we were with, in 2018, we were with 6 MLAs, and then in the 2023, we were at 12 MLAs. And we were together with the coalition government, MDA 1, and we have been working, and there are so many issues that we have taken up in those 5 years, and people has given us more numbers in terms of numbers of MLAs by giving us 12 MLAs. So which means the people have accepted our performance. But judging by this 1 year only, which I see that it is at the very early stage of this 1 year, at least 5 years, people should see what we were doing. Fine, then I will accept to whatever it said. But as of now, I don't see that is the reason that the MLAs are not working or not performing at the constituency levels.